beautiful soul all over the world. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So my friend, you can see behind me farming area. I have come here. As usual, I come here, but today I am recording in video. So my friend, you can see in my area paddy plants have already planted, and this one is my field. My friend, so many time I have showed you this field with vegetables, beet also. One time I was uprooting and made video. So this is the same field where we have planted paddy. Now you can see. So my friend, I love to come this side. You know why? Because in farming area, gentle breeze blow, and that gives me great feeling. No matter how I feel frustrated, yeah, not have good mood, but once I come here, my mind automatic become peaceful and calm. I feel amazing, energized whenever I come here. So, as usual, I keep coming because farming area is not very far from my home. My home is attached to farming area. You can see my home. This is my home, that my hut, and these are the farming area. And this is my field. My friend, here I used to do speaking practice. I do speaking practice. Why? Because I love this environment. I love openness. ओके, जहाँ पे जो है मधुर मधुर ठंडी ठंडी हवा बहती हो और शाम का टाइम हो और इन सच वे ग्रीन ग्रासेस आई वॉक and I do speaking practice. Earlier also I used to do, and now, but I was not recording video. So today I decided to record video while doing this. So I just come and keep aside my sleeper and walk on the green grasses and do speaking practice. Describe the things. No matter I am a YouTuber, I know how to explain. Even I do. Why? Because it has own benefit to do it. The more we do explanation of things, the more we become better in explanation. So you must do this one. No matter how many people and how many hours you do speaking practice, but you must do and you must explain the things. आप कहीं पे भी जा सकते हैं, आप अपने रूफ पर जा सकते हैं और मेरे तरह जो है फील्ड एरिया में भी आ सकते हैं और इस तरह से चीज़ों को डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं। अभी तो हम वीडियो बना रहे हैं, डिस्क्राइब भी कर रहे हैं, बता भी रहे हैं पास्ट, प्रेजेंट और जो भी है आसपास, और रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. But when I come without my phone, mostly I love to come without my phone. Why? Because when I come without my phone, so I totally be present with nature. I spend time with nature. Otherwise phone is distracting things. जब फ़ोन के साथ आते हैं तो फ़ोन में ही लगे रहते हैं, लेकिन जब बिना फ़ोन के आते हैं तो चीज़ों को ऑब्जर्व करना एंड देन एक्सप्लेन इन इंग्लिश, दैट्स गिव मी great feeling. My friend, I would love to give you piece of advice. Do this daily. If you are not belong to village area, so you can explain about other things, okay, about tree, about tower, about building, okay. But if you are from village area like me, then you can explain about the field, go be with nature, enjoy, and do your speaking practice. And as we know that how speaking practice is very very important, we must do it with consistency. If you want to be fluent, if you want to explain well, if you want to spend time with nature, so you can also do in this way. I do in this way. I kill two birds with one stone. नेचर के साथ टाइम भी स्पेंड हो जाता है, अपना माइंड भी रिलैक्स रहता है, काम रहता है जब हम इधर आते हैं, और मेरा प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाता है, मैं चीज़ों को एक्सप्लेन भी कर देती हूँ. सो दिस इज़ माई वे टू डू स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस अलोन, and I love to do no matter how many people I talk on the daily basis. So my friend, now I would love to show you little bit water level. See, like yeah, I can say 15 days, 20 days ago there was no water. People were taking the help of boring for water filling in their field, but now it's raining every single day by the grace of God, and you can see the water level, and crops also, they are healthy, they are growing, and farmer are happy, we are happy. And that side, my friend, little bit I would love to show you. Yeah, there you can see water. Okay, that is cranal or canal. Little bit confusion I have, I'm not sure, so you can correct me, you can correct me in comment box, you can write. So over there cranal is there, and you can see the water level, that cranal is full now. Okay, if it rain continuously every single day, then that water can come here, and you won't believe, here my home is, and this all area just full of water sometimes. Okay, sometimes totally just cover and we don't come this side whenever such condition comes, but till now it's okay. But yeah, these days here we can see a lot of snake, scorpion, minter lizard, and mongoose, a lot. But we are habituated to see them every single day, so that much we don't afraid. But yeah, we be alert always from them. So those side you can see a kind of jungle type of. In summer season you can't see, but this time just because of rainy season it has grown up, and that's why we are able to see all the creatures. Okay, so my friend, I would love to show you beautiful scenario of my village, how it looks like in the season after paddy plant. So take a look. Some are gazing at me what she is doing. Yeah, it's okay. So my told one thing, do it daily. If you want to speak fluently, confidently, and explain well, then my friend, do a speaking practice alone. Describe the things, whatever around you, whatever around your home. My friend, now I want to just stop this video. So how do you like this video? Tell me in comment box, and if you like, then I will try to make another video in different way. So for today, that's it. Bye bye. Have a lovely day.